Hello guys, welcome to my channel Create Knowledge. In this video, we will learn how to install Selenium Web Driver and Chrome driver on Eclipse ID. Here I will follow the 4 steps. In step 1, I will install Eclipse ID 2023-06. This is the latest version of Eclipse ID. And step 2, I will install Selenium Web Driver. This is also the latest version 4.11.0. And step 3, I will configure Chrome driver with my Selenium project. Here I am going to use Chrome browser 1.16 version. And step 4, I will give you a demo project to understand the whole thing. So now first I am going to download and install Eclipse ID 2023-06. Now I am going to open my Google Chrome browser. Now I have opened Google Chrome browser. Here I will write download Eclipse. Now this is the official website of Eclipse ID. Here you see Eclipse ID 2023-06. This is the latest version of Eclipse ID. And now I'm going to download for 64-bit. Click here. And now here download. I'm just going to click here. Now see download has been started. Now download in my download folder. Now it is downloading. Now see download is completed. Now I'm going to close this window. Close it. Close it. Now go to my download folder. Here you see Eclipse Win64. Double click here. Now it is going to install. I'm minimizing this window. Now you see Eclipse ID for Java developer, Eclipse ID for enterprise Java and web developer, Eclipse ID for C, C++, Eclipse ID embedded C, C++, Eclipse ID for PHP. Now I'm going for Eclipse ID for enterprise Java and web developer. Click here. Now you see here Java JDK is 19. Eclipse ID is 2023-06. And click here. I will keep it as it is and then install. Now I am going to accept this license agreement. It is installing. It will take a couple of minutes. Now see, download is completed. Now I am click on launch. See, I have got a shortcut key here. And workspace, you can change the workspace, but I will keep it as default. Launch. So this welcome page. Now see, this is my ID page. Now I am going to increase this font preference. Here I'll font, color and font, basic. Here you text font. Edit. Now I'm going for 16. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now I'm going to create a new Maven project. Then next, I'll choose the internal. Here I'm going for Maven Web App. And then next, I have to put the group ID. Now I'm giving the group ID is com.gopal and artifact ID I'm giving project name is Selenium test and finish. Now it is creating a Maven project. Now yes, enter. Now you see my Selenium project is ready. Okay. Now before going to do anything else, now I am going to add my server. Here I am going to add my server in Eclipse ID. So click on server. No server available. Click this link to create new server. Now I'm going to create a folder in my D drive. Now I'm going to close it. I'm here in D drive. Here I'm going to create a folder. I'm giving the name of this folder is Tomcat 10. I close this window and go to my Eclipse ID. Again I'm going to click create a new server. Here I write Apache 10.0 and then next, and I'll click download and install Apache 10.0.27. Now I'm going to accept the license agreement. Now go to my D drive. Here you will get Apache Tomcat. Here is Tomcat 10. Select folder. Okay. Then download, select folder, and then finish. Now see, it has created server. Now I have created server. You see here. I am having Tomcat 10. I have already installed in my system in Eclipse ID. Now here Selenium test. I am getting error. You see, I am getting an error. Index.jsp. Here you see Java. Reason of this error is superclass Java X servlet. So it is required Java X servlet. Now to put the dependency in pom.xml. I'll open my pom.xml. Here I have to put the dependency of Java X servlet. I'm now going to minimize this window. Again, I'm going to open Google Chrome browser. Now here I'm going to write Java X Servlet API. Then enter. Here is the Maven repository. Click here. See the Java X. Click on Java X. And Servlet API is there. Click here. And now I'm going to use Servlet is 4.1. This is the latest one. Click here. The link. I'm just copy this link and go to my Eclipse ID. Here I am going to put the dependency. Here I am going to put dependency, it and save and close. Again it is because now you see the error is not removed. Now I am going to click on project file, Selenium text, right click, configure build path, library, add library. I have to add the server runtime. Then next, Tomcat 10.0.27, finish, apply and close. And you see, my error has been removed. Okay, if you right click here and run it, server Tomcat 10, next, and finish, and you will get the result, hello world. Okay, now I think I understand it. Now I am going to close it also. Now I have completely successfully installed Eclipse IDE 2023-06. Now I am going to open Selenium Web Driver because I have to install Selenium Web Driver. Now I am going to minimize this window and go to Google Chrome Drive. Here you write here Selenium, and this is the official website of Selenium, and go to Here you get the Selenium Web Driver, Selenium ID, Selenium Grid. Now click on download. So you see here stable Ruby, Java. This is the latest version of Selenium 4.11.0. Now one things you can download from here. Otherwise, because here I am going to use Maven Web project, so I need not to download this jar file. Now what I do, I'm telling you. Now in Google Chrome browser, I'll write Selenium Maven dependency. This is the easiest way. No need to extract jar file, download jar file, install jar file, configure jar file, no need. Now you write Selenium Maven dependency. Here, see, this is the Maven. Selenium is 4.11.0. You see, this is the latest version also same. Selenium, you write here, Selenium, download. Here you see, version is 4.11.0, Maven repository 4.11.0. Now I am going to click here. I will take the dependency and no need to download and install of jar file. Just I am going to put the dependency. Dependency will do all the work. Automatically dependency will download all the jar file. Now I am going to here. I am going to copy it. Selenium Java 4.11.0. Here the link. I am just going to copy it. Copy. I am going to my Eclipse ID. This is my Eclipse ID. Now I am going to open my pom.xml. Here I put the dependency of Java servlet. Now here I am put the another dependency. This dependency I am going to put here. Paste here. Paste it here. Control V. And I am going to save it. Save. And now I have put the dependency of Selenium Web Driver. Now you see here, if I go there, if I go deployment libraries, Maven libraries, you see here I am got the Selenium driver also. Now I am going to create a Java project here. Now I am going to create a Java project. I'll click a search main Java, new. First I am going to create a package. I am giving the package name is pom.gopal. Gopal and finish. Inside the com.gopal, I am going to create a Java class. Now I am going to write here Selenium demo. And I'll choose for public static void main method I have required, and then finish. Now see here I create a Java file Selenium demo.java. Now this line is not required. Now here I am write some code. Class object is Chrome options option CO is equal to new Chrome option. Chrome options, and its method is CO dot set browser. Now here I will put the browser, and later on put, and next line I will write here Selenium Manager Web Developer Manager. Here it is Selenium Manager. So write here Web Driver equal to new Chrome driver. Chrome driver, and now I'm going to enter the URL. Now I'm going to enter the URL. Here you enter your URL. Now I'm going to write driver.get. And I'm going to write HTTPS double slash google.com. Okay. Now here I'm getting a error in Chrome driver. I have to import the Chrome driver. Import Chrome driver. So no, there is no error. Here I have to write my browser version. Now I'll tell you which browser is Chrome browser I am using. Now here you click here in three dot, go to help, about Chrome, about Google Chrome. You see here I am using version 116. So I have to write version 116. I'm going here. Now here I'm going to write my version is 116. 116. And then I'm going to save it. Save and run my project. Run as Java application. Now see, now I have opened the Google Chrome browser. Okay. Now I'll tell you one thing. Now see, Chrome is being controlled by automated test software, because Selenium is a test software. So you see, that's why it is telling that Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. Automated test software is Selenium. Okay, I think now you understand it. Now I'll tell you one thing. I'm just going to close it. Now if you write, now you go to your Go to your main drive, C drive. Here go to user, here public, here my username is RAMGM, double click here. Here you see dot catch, click here and you see you get the Selenium manager is there. And here click here Chrome driver, you Win64 and here you see 116.0.5845.96. If you click here, you will get the Chrome driver. If you click it, then you will get, you see, here I am starting Chrome driver 116.0.5845.96. That way, this is the easiest way to download and install Selenium in your Eclipse ID. And easily you can write, suppose I am going to write here facebook.com and run it. And you have to put the version. You check your system, which version you are using. Again, I am telling you, you go your Google Chrome browser. Just I am going to close it. There you go, I am telling one thing. Go to your Google Chrome browser and in three dot, you click here and go to help. Help option is there. About Google Chrome. Then you will get the Chrome version you are using. Here I am using 116. That's why I write here 116. And in my user, you go to in my user catch file dot catch. Here it automatically created a Selenium folder. Inside the folder Chrome driver. Chrome driver is also 116. So when I write this code, Chrome option, CO, new Chrome option, this class and method I'll use, then automatically 116 will create the current version you are using. That will go to your and I get the output of this Facebook. Run on server, run on Java application. Now you see, this is Chrome is being controlled by automated test software, that is Selenium. Now I have opened the facebook.com, Facebook, because Selenium is a automated test software. Now I think you have understood how to install Selenium Web Driver and Chrome driver on Eclipse ID, how to configure your Chrome driver with Selenium in Eclipse ID. And this demo project is helpful for you. And if you like this video, because some of my friends was told me to make a video for Selenium Web Driver. That's why I made this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends.